This is a video to show you how to download a Google presentation into PowerPoint and then how to upload it back to Google Presentation so you can turn it in for Monday by 2:15 p.m. It's actually really easy. So what you do is you're going to go to your presentation. Now you'll notice that I'm using Internet Explorer. This is a newer version of Internet Explorer. I'm using my laptop and I was able to actually get the most current update. But we've tested out everything that I'm going to show you, and we know that it will work on the school computers. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to come down here to your presentation. So here's that sample one from the other video. And when you click on yours, you're going to get that error message that says that it's not compatible, that it can't edit with your browser, and then it's going to tell you Google Chrome. You're going to actually, your screen will look like this. Alright, so yours is going to come up with the presentation, not in the edit mode. What you do to download it is you go over here where this little gear is, icon, and you click on download as PowerPoint X. Now, if you have PowerPoint 2007 or newer, this type of file will work. So if you're going to work on this at school, this will be perfectly fine. All the computers have that version or later of PowerPoint. If you're going to be working on this at home and you want to use PowerPoint, you have 2003 or older, you're going to have to convert it to the old version of the file. All right, you're also going to have to reconvert it back because you can't upload an old version of PowerPoint to Google Docs. So really your best bet is, if you're going to use PowerPoint to work on in school at the end of the class period or at the end of the day on Friday, is upload it back to Google Presentations, and then you can use Google Presentations at home. As you can see, the newest version of Internet Explorer actually works with Google Presentations or Google Docs. I know that Firefox works with it because that's my preferred browser, and then obviously Chrome. So there's 3 browsers you could use at home to get this edited and then turned in. Alright, so just click this icon here. Alright, you should have this little screen pop up. Yours will look slightly different. You're going to go to open. Alright, so now you're in PowerPoint. Alright, and you'll notice that the name of the project is whatever sample name you gave it, PowerPoint X. Alright, now if you need to convert it over, all you have to do is go to Save As, and then you would click on this one right here, and that would convert it over to the old version. Alright, and then if you need to convert it back, you do the same thing. You go to Save As, and then you would save it as one of these. Up here, that's the newer version of PowerPoint. Alright, so you can look at it here. You can see that it's pretty much like a regular PowerPoint presentation. The formatting's changed a little bit, so that might be something to be fixed. As long as the information's in there and you filled all the requirements, I'm not going to take off points if there's a slight formatting error due to upload changes. But you'll notice as well that if you go to Slideshow and you go from current slide, you can still download those articles that you need to read. So you can pretty much do everything you need to from PowerPoint. Alright, so when it comes time to upload, what you want to do, you want to save this. I would save this on your H drive. Alright, so you're going to save. I'm going to throw it here in Documents. Alright, so that's saved. So now when you want to upload this, alright, we're going to go back to Google Presentations. You're going to go back to your home menu. Alright, so here's we're at the home menu for Google Docs. And you'll see there's this little icon here that says Upload. Click on that, and then you'll click on Files. Alright, so then now you go find your file, Documents, and there's that presentation right there. So I'll click on that, and it says yes, convert it over. You just click that one. Confirm settings for each update. You can leave that checked, I guess, if you want to make sure that you change it each time, and then start upload. Alright, so this little thing will come up in the corner, and once it's uploaded, it'll show up here in your queue of documents as the name that it came down, PowerPoint X. Alright, you can leave it that way, it's fine, as long as it has your name, your hour, and the name of your project in it, that's fine. Alright, and then you can open this up, and then now you have a standard Google document presentation that you can work on. Alright, so that's how you do that. We are going to give you Friday to work on this project, so download your presentation on Thursday, work on it, save it on your H drive, finish working on it Friday, then upload it before the end of the hour. If you have it all complete, then you can just go ahead and share it and turn it in, or if you want to work on it over the weekend, then you can do it through Google Docs. And then make sure you have it shared by 2:15 p.m. on Monday. So ideally, you're pretty much going to want to turn it in sometime Sunday night, unless you think you might have a little bit of time to work on it during the day. So that's that, and good luck, and I hope we can get this done. Oh, by the way, some of you have asked, why am I having you turn it in through Google Presentations? The main reason is if you email me the PowerPoints, what will happen is I will have just, projects turned in 2 places. I'll have them in Google Docs, and I'll have them in my inbox. And it's really easy for emails in my inbox to get shuffled around and moved around. I'm getting emails all the time from parents, teachers, administrators, and it's likely that I will miss a file if you email it to me, especially if I'm getting like 60 of them between the 2 classes. And then, 2 weeks later, when you wonder why you have a 0 for the assignment, I don't want to do that, right? So it makes it easier, it's more efficient, it's better for you if you just turn it in through Google Presentations. Plus, this allows you to work on it at home, and you can use any computer. You can turn it in from any computer. So, if the technology was working, this would actually be an easy way to make these presentations, and it would be universal. You wouldn't have to worry about whether or not you have these programs on your computer. That's why we're using it. And I know we have some technical difficulties, and we're trying to learn through them. That's the way it works. All right, so there you go. We're done. Good luck.